and working 20 hours a day than Black Friday anywhere, let alone a big city. You are not wrong. Am I not following you? I'm sorry. I thought I was. I'm following you now. Right? She's like, well, we'd just be fabric shopping, so it's not like we'd have to deal with those crowds. And I'm like, no, but you'd still have all those same people around, and so like eating or whatever would be it's just a pain in the ass. I'm like, no, it's not. And hotels and travel during the busiest day, no. Right. Well, not these fabric stores. These are industrial fabric stores. They're not like commercial fabric stores. So I doubt. I mean, maybe they do, but I can't imagine they would be because it's not. It's she doesn't. It's not like going to Joann's Fabric or anything like that. She's going to these like super industrial places to buy bulk, many a bulk. So I don't know. I just said I'd drive all the clamps all the time. Now we can add the bottom, which we already did. Do it Cyber Monday. Nobody will know. There you go. Stop it. But I think I've convinced my wife that we should vacation more often than we used to, which was never. So she's gotten really used to the. Is it sticker or mirrored acrylic? It is mirrored. It is vinyl wrap on the outside, Valfera. It's gold on the bottom. I'm moving it so that it doesn't stick to the board because stupidly I'm using it on this mat and that solvent will dissolve the mat. All right, so now let's see mirror. They'll hate that in the theater production, but whatever. All right, so that's the box. Set that down, finish curing. So there's box one, box two. And so we got to do the lid. So what do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 3 more of these. Man, you really printed way too damn many of these, Paul. You not know how to count? I do not know how to count. I had to make 3 of them, so that's okay. So now I've got extra of these. And you have 2 of these, 3 of these. No, one's bad. That's right. All right. So now we have this. We need to center this onto that. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Why didn't you vinyl wrap the whole thing? Because they wanted like onto this part here that's got the cutout on it, because you can't laser cut vinyl acrylic or vinyl because it will kill you. If not kill you, at least melt your equipment. So I had to spray paint